So, hello dear 9th class students, welcome to our math class. So, in our mathematics, we are continuing our polynomials and factorization. All the definitions we studied, and we completed first exercise also. And after that, I gave the concept of zero of a polynomial. Suppose for the particular value of the variable, if the polynomial becomes 0, then that value of the variable is called zero of the polynomial. That also we studied, and even we started exercise 2.2, we completed 3 problems. Now we have 3 more problems. So same based on the zero of the polynomial. So open your textbooks. So this is page number 37 and exercise 2.2, fourth problem. The chapter is polynomials and factorization. And we are in exercise 2.2, fourth problem. Find the zero of the polynomial in each of the following cases. Zero of the polynomial. See, the value of x for which the polynomial becomes, if suppose p is a polynomial, the variable is say x. So if the polynomial is in terms of x, so we can name it as px. So if px is 0, then that x value for which px is 0 is called zero of the polynomial. Zero of the polynomial means we have to tell x value for which that polynomial, the function becomes 0, the polynomial becomes 0. So when this will become 0, see, for 0 of the polynomial, what should happen? We have to find x value for which this total function should be, this total polynomial should be 0, polynomial should be 0. Given polynomial is x plus 2. So x plus 2 is equal to 0 means x is equal to take plus 2 to the right side, it is minus 2. So therefore, 0 of this polynomial is minus 2. See, 0 of the polynomial means the x value for which the polynomial becomes 0. If you write x is equal to minus 2, what happens? X is equal to minus 2 plus 2, 0. X is equal to minus 2 plus 2, 0. Therefore, this 0 of a polynomial is minus 2. So therefore, 0 of the polynomial, 0 of the given polynomial, f of x is equal to x plus 2 is minus 2. 0 of the polynomial is minus 2. Very simple. So the polynomial should become 0. Find corresponding x value. When it will become 0? When this fx will become 0, fx means x plus 2. When x plus 2 becomes 0, x is equal to take plus 2 to the right side, it will become minus 2. So 0 of the given polynomial, f of x is equal to x plus 2 is minus 2. That's same way, complete all the 7 bits. So this is the second bit. Same statement you write. For 0 of the polynomial, you write here, for 0 of the polynomial, f of x should become 0. What is f of x? X minus 2 should become 0. That implies minus 2 to the right side, it is plus 2. Therefore, 0 of the given polynomial f of x is equal to x minus 2 is 2. Write all these sentences. So the given polynomial, you can write given polynomial. Given polynomial is f of x is equal to x minus 2. For 0 of the polynomial, that polynomial should be equated to 0. So x minus polynomial is x minus 2. X minus 2 should be 0. Minus 2 that side plus 2. So that means for x value 2 that is 0 of the polynomial. Write down. Same way, third bit is the given polynomial is 2x plus 3. First, write down the question. Given polynomial is f of x is equal to 2x plus 3. For 0 of the polynomial, that polynomial should be equated to 0. What is the polynomial? Given polynomial 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to plus 3 right side minus 3. Plus 3 to the right side minus 3. X is equal to minus 3 by 2 is in multiplication. If you take it to the right side, you will be the denominator. That's all. F of x is equal to 0. That is f of x is 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. You know how to solve the equation. We studied how to solve the linear equations in even 7th class, 8th class and even 9th also. In the beginning we studied. So how to solve the linear equation? First take plus 3 to the right side. So to find x value, we have to take 1 by 1 to the right side. Plus 3 right side minus 3 and 2 is in multiplication. If you take it to the right side, it will be in the denominator. Once again you can write the statement. 0 of the given polynomial f of x is equal to 2x plus 3 is minus 3 by 2. Like this. So this is the given polynomial 2x plus 3. 0 of the polynomial means this polynomial should become 0. So this 2x plus 3 should become 0. So find x value. Plus 3 to the right side. Minus 3, 2 is in multiplication. It will become denominator for the right side. So minus 3 by 2 is the answer. Same model. Fourth bit. Do it. What is the 0 of the polynomial? 2x minus 3. What is the given polynomial? Given polynomial is f of x is equal to 2x minus 3. So for 0 of the polynomial, what we do? We equate this polynomial to 0. The given polynomial is 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3 is equated to 0. Minus 3 to the right side plus 3. 2 is minus 3 to the right side plus 3. 2 is in multiplication. If you take it to the right denominator, it will become denominator. So 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Same model. Equate the given polynomial to 0, find the x value. That is the answer. Fifth bit. The given polynomial is f of x is equal to x square. F of x is equal to x square. So find the 0 of the polynomial. So this is the given polynomial is f of x is equal to x square. To find the 0 of the polynomial, for 0 of the polynomial, what we do? We equate this given polynomial to 0. So what is the given polynomial? X square is equal to 0. X is equal to, if you remove the square, right side will get root. So square root of 0 is 0 only. X square is equal to 0 means how to solve this? If you remove the square, right side you will get root. Root 0 is 0 only. So 0 of the given polynomial f of x is equal to 0 is, what is the answer? 0. Equate the given polynomial to 0 and find the corresponding x value. Sixth question. Given polynomial is px. What is the 0 of the polynomial? Given polynomial is px. For 0 of the polynomial, we equate the given polynomial to 0. What is the given polynomial? Px is equal to 0. Given polynomial should be equated to 0 and we get an equation. Solve it and get x value. X is equal to 0 by p. 0 by anything is 0. F of x should be equated to 0. The given polynomial should be equated to 0. Given polynomial is px. Px is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 by p is 0. So that means 0 of the given polynomial f of x is equal to px is 0. Answer is 0. This x value is the answer. Write down. Seventh bit. Same process. Given polynomial is f of x is equal to px plus q. For 0 of the polynomial, that given polynomial should be equated to 0. What is the given polynomial? Px plus q is equal to 0. Solve this equation, find x value. Px is equal to plus q right side minus q. Plus q right side minus q. Plus q to the right side minus q. X is equal to minus q by p. This is the given polynomial px plus q. Plus q to the right side minus q. P will be in the denominator. Minus q by p. 0 of the polynomial, given polynomial is px plus q. Is, what is the 0 of the polynomial? What is the answer? Minus q by p. That's all. So the given polynomial is equated to 0. Solve that equation and find x value. You know how to solve the equation, how to find x value. Take plus q to the right side minus q. P will be in the denominator minus q by p. That's the answer. Right. question. If 2 is a 0 of the polynomial, p of x is equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 7a. If 2 is a 0 of the polynomial, p of x is equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 7a, find the value of a. You write down the full question. I am reading once again. If 2 is a 0 of the polynomial, p of x is equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 7a, find a. Now, given polynomial p of x is equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 7a. This is the given polynomial. So, 2 is the 0 of this polynomial. It is given. It is given that 2 is the 0 of this polynomial. 2 is the 0 of the polynomial means what is the definition of the 0 of the polynomial? So if one particular value is 0 of the polynomial means for that value that polynomial should become 0. That means p of 2 should equal to 0. 2 is a 0 of the polynomial means at x is equal to 2 that function should become 0. So p of 2 means what? Wherever x, take the p of x function, wherever x is there, so write substitute 2. P of x is given, p of 2 means in place of x write 2. See here 2 into x square, that means 2 square. 3 into x value is 2 plus 7a is equal to 0. Write x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. 2 square is 4. 4 into 2 8. 3 into 2 6 plus 7a is equal to 0. 8 minus 6 is 2. Find a value. Find a. Question is find a. To find a, except a, take all the remaining numbers to the right side. So first I am taking 2 right side. Here it is plus 2. If you take it to the right side, minus 2. Plus 2 to the right side, minus 2. A is equal to minus 2 by 7. So this is one important question. It is already given. For x is equal to 2, it becomes a 0 of the polynomial. X is equal to 2 is the 0 of this polynomial. So given polynomial I wrote 2 is the 0 of the polynomial means if you write x is equal to 2, it should become 0. Polynomial should become 0. So substitute x is equal to 2. 2 into 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 7a is equal to 0. 2 square is 4 into 2, 8 minus 3 to the 6, 8 minus 6 is 2. 2 right side minus 2, 7 right side 2 by 7. Over. So with this we completed 5th problem and one last problem left. So it is a big problem. Tomorrow we will solve. So till then you practice these questions and even go through the examples which are given before this exercise and read all the definitions and complete all the examples before this 2.2. Thank you students.